Hello guys, so today we are taking Noodle for our first hike. Noodle, are you excited? Sure, Noodle. Noodle's sleeping.
You're like, really? Really? I'm sleeping. Leave me alone.
We are going to Franklin Falls, which is like a mile hike. It's an easy hike. We are gonna see how Noodle reacts to it. I think she is excited. We are all excited. So next we are gonna see you all there.
Honey, what happened?
Huh?
What happened?
Yeah, so Franklin Falls is closed. We are now going towards Rattlesnake. So apparently Franklin Falls is not gonna be Noodle's first hike. So let's see if Rattlesnake is open. Noodle, we are here at Rattlesnake.
Ready, poop.
Noodle just woke up. Noodle, did you have a good nap? Alright, Noodle's getting her harness.
Okay.
Alright, Noodle's ready. Let's go. So this
We'll be up there.
right at the top, hopefully.
She might stop halfway. And then Honey carry her down.
Yeah. Ready for the hike? Let's get going. So we are at the starting point now. Noodle, let's go.
Yeah, she's a little shy. So.
Hi, sweetie. Hi,
There we go.
Hi, sweetie. Hi. Oh, they look the same size.
Is this full grown?
Yeah, full grown really high.
She's gonna be double that.
Yeah, 100%.
What kind of dogs are these again?
That's an Aussie. She's an Aussie, yeah.
She's a little scared.
Yeah, she's a bitch cat.
She's so soft.
She's so soft.
She's like a little bear.
Just want to cuddle.
Little bear.
How many months right now?
She's 16 weeks. So around
4
3
months.
months.
I want one. I want one.
Austin's so smart too. So smart.
Very
Thank you
smart.
so much.
Thank you.
Hi, baby.
Let's go, Noodle. Go. Noodle gets so much attention.
Oh, here we go.
Okay, 1.9 miles. Alright, let's go, Noodle.
Let's go.
We have our walking sticks ready now.
Let's go, Baba.
Alright, first water break for Noodle.
He hasn't drank water for like a few hours since he left the house.
No,
Honey, grab it. Come back. Sorry. No, come here. No. Come here. There you go. Oh my.
Pretty puppy.
Thank you. No, come here. Drink your water. Drink your water. Come on now. Come.
Noodle's eating some kibble now.
Past our lunchtime.
Yeah. Very hungry.
Hungry little.
Are you enjoying Noodle?
I brought food for Noodle, huh?
Come Noodle. Up, 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 up. Come Noodle up. Up.
Oh.
Good girl, good girl.
She's a big girl. Look at her. Big girl. Noodle.
The lake is on that side. Some stairs. Final steps. Noodle, final steps.
Look at her.
She loves the stairs. She's going for it.
Okay, sweetie, go. Oh, no. Look at her climbing up.
Yeah.
She's lady of the mountain.
Oh, what's that?
Good girl.
There's a lot of people over here.
Yeah.
You can see the lake over there.
Yeah.
The Noodle's here. Honey, how do you feel?
Cold.
It's beautiful. The lake is looking very beautiful. Let's take some shots over here.
Uh-huh.
It's very bright and sunny. Very nice day. There's Noodle.
There's Noodle. First hike. There's
Noodle
Noodle first
finished her
hike.
first hike.
Good girl.
So we started over from there. That's a parking lot.
Noodle, come. Noodle, Noodle. Noodle, come here. Come here, sweetie. Come here.
So we have some sushi over here. And with this view. And Noodle has some kibble. She's gonna eat that.
Lunchtime, Noodle. Lunchtime. Here you go, sweetie. And
How's the lunch?
Hey, that's not your.
Down.
Hey.
Down.
Come on.
How is it?
she looks at our food and she looks at her food and she's like, why you get that? I get this.
Noodle, go eat. Go eat. Eat. Good girl.
Honey, are you tired?
Noodle is very tired. I'm okay.
Noodle,
How
are you
What do you
tired?
think she did?
She did great.
Noodle did very good. Noodle did very good.
Noodle. She's done. She's like a noodle. Cooked noodle.
She's floppy now. Flop, flop, flop. Noodle.
Noodle's so tired. Look at her face.
Noodle just wants to sleep now.
Yeah.
Still have to go back, Noodle.
Poor baby. Carry her down. Oh boy. She's fast asleep. I'm sorry, sweetie.
Very tired.
She's so tired. She fell asleep. Give her some sun so she's warm.
We shall stand up there and do group.
Alright, so we are heading back now.
Look up. Hey.
Where is she? Noodle, come. Noodle, let's go.
Okay. You ready to go back?
Ready to go back
Ready to
now.
go back.
Bye, Rattlesnake.
Oh boy. Come on, go. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Down we
So the Snoqualmie Point is 8.3 miles from here. And there is a East Peak. That might be the East Peak. Okay, Noodle. Some other day. Maybe no other day.
Other day when you're bigger and you can hold mommy up there. I hate going downhill. Hurts my ankle, hurts my knees. Ugh.
I can pick you up
Okay.
and you can pick up Noodle.
Okay.
That way it's not too much on me.
On the bridge. On the bridge. On the bridge. Oh,
We reached the end of the trail.
God. Noodle made it.
Noodle made it. Good job, Noodle.
Noodle was so tired.
Noodle's gonna sleep in the car.
Noodle is very tired.